If you, as most businesses are involved in marketing the business online, then you need to ensure you have the skills to maximize on this opportunity. You need to ask yourself a few quick questions to establish your business position. Does your business want more web visitors? Would your business like to generate more leads? Does your company nurture leads effectively and efficiently to convert them to customers? Are you reaching enough of your target audience? 97% of your web visitors will be just browsing and not ready to contact, commit, or convert to a customer at this stage. They are researching. What could you do to capture their visit, engage their interest, and help them research your products and services? The solution is simple. All you need to do is deliver content through multiple marketing channels to as many of your target market. But actually, that is often the hardest to achieve. The reason that over 95% of businesses who aren't achieving the results they desire are failing is down to the fact that they don't have a strategy in place. They're just dabbling in social media, a bit of SEO, some email marketing, etc., rather than planning each month's activities as an all-encompassing campaign. But imagine the impact your efforts would have if you had a joined-up strategy that encompassed all of your digital marketing channels. This is why it is so important to have digital marketing skills and knowledge of proven strategies and tools. The top 10 digital skills anyone involved in business development, sales, marketing, managing a business are social media marketing, especially Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Content marketing and content creation. Search engine optimization. Online and pay-per-click advertising. Email marketing. Automated and behavioral marketing. Blogging and online PR. Affiliate marketing. Website conversion optimization. Digital marketing monitoring tools, metrics, and analytics. As well as having a good knowledge of regulation and codes of practice, and how to plan and manage a digital marketing strategy. So why might you not be reaping the benefits of your digital marketing? Here are the top 5 reasons why your digital marketing strategy is failing. So before we go into the nitty-gritty details, let's analyze some of the top reasons why most of the digital marketing strategies fall flat on their faces. If you too are struggling with your digital marketing and social media marketing efforts, you might find one or more reasons for your failure here. 1. Weak substance. None of your social media marketing or content marketing efforts will have any sort of an impact if the substance is weak. You have more competitors than you think, and in the online business world, you can't have great results with mediocre content, social media efforts, or email marketing campaigns. An effective digital marketing plan requires a lot of meaty and high-quality substance. 2. No frequency. Another reason why many digital marketing plans fail is that they don't have any fixed frequency. It is important to realize that you are marketing to real people, and it really doesn't matter if it's online. Your customers are real, they have feelings and emotions, and they want to connect with your business. But most importantly, they want to feel that they can rely on it. If you have a business blog where you publish one high-quality post per week, your readers know what to expect from you. On the other hand, if your competitor's business blog publishes 4 posts one week, and then doesn't get active for the next 3 months, their customers won't rely on such an online presence. Consumers like to know when and what to expect, and this builds brand awareness with prospects and strengthens the relationship with customers too. Our favorite means of learning about a product or service is through online research, via email, or reading an article, so we need to consider this within our digital activities. All in all, frequency is really important in the digital marketing world, and most of the businesses that fail to capitalize on their digital marketing efforts usually don't deem frequency as an important factor. 3. Lack of resources and/or skills. One of the major reasons why digital marketing strategies fail is because most online businesses don't have sufficient resources and skills related to it. There is a huge digital marketing skills gap in the industry, and this often becomes a big problem in implementing digital marketing plans. If your online business doesn't have sufficient resources, talent, and skills in the digital marketing niche, it may become one of the major reasons why your marketing strategy doesn't work. 4. Failing to monitor your digital marketing progress. Failure to monitor your digital marketing progress with analytics tools and software is another reason why it isn't working for you. The Online Marketing Institute did research and interviewed 747 marketing executives about the digital marketing skills they deem as most important. 76% of those surveyed agreed that analytical skills are the most important one in the digital marketing world. It is there for a reason. Tracking every inch of your progress is absolutely crucial. Moreover, a person with good analytical skills can easily determine important trends and signals and use them to improve your digital marketing plan. 5. No correlation with overall business goals. This is kind of a big one. As a matter of fact, in my opinion, it is the biggest reason why most businesses fail when it comes to digital marketing, and why they fail to experience a good return on their investment. It is important to understand that a good digital marketing plan accentuates and helps your overall business goals. Therefore, it is absolutely crucial that both these things, your digital marketing plan and your business objectives, work simultaneously and in similar directions. A streamlined process for better rewards in the digital marketing world. If you have really understood the above reasons why digital marketing strategies fail, you already know what would work. There should be a streamlined process that has multiple efficient qualities and that leads to better results and ROI. It really doesn't matter if you're planning for an entire digital marketing campaign or a more categorized social media marketing, content marketing, or email marketing strategies. This works for everything. For most businesses, the goals are actually pretty simple and straightforward. Here are 3 main objectives that any business in the world strives to achieve in some variation: increase customer base, improve purchase frequency, increase average order value. Once you identify these business goals, all of your digital marketing efforts should be in pursuit of those objectives. And while doing that, you need to take into account your business's KPIs, key performance indicators, and other digital metrics and analytics that will help you understand and expand your business in the online world. Apart from monitoring and tracking your digital marketing analytics, you will also have to consider the resources, talent, and skills you have in the digital marketing department. Also, don't forget to consider some of the other important factors that we discussed. For example, the substance and quality of your blog posts, marketing emails, social media posts, the frequency of your marketing content, and the skills and talent you have in the digital marketing sector of your business. So what does this mean for your business? Well, digital marketing is the best way to move forward. Your business must have an online presence, and digital marketing is the way to let it gain more exposure, credibility, and visibility. Most importantly, digital marketing will help you in achieving your overall business goal.